Running across RMT files in a RealPlayer installation and curious what they do? These are media library index files that organize your RealPlayer content. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these RealPlayer media tree files contain and how to handle them. Don't close the guide if the RMT file doesn't open right away. We have an unconventional high success rate method designed for deep format errors. An .rmt file is a metadata file used by the classic RealPlayer application to organize and index media libraries. It doesn't contain actual audio or video data, but rather acts as a database or tree of pointers to the user's media files, storing information like playlists, titles, and locations. The .rmt file is a proprietary binary format. This design was chosen by RealNetworks to enable fast loading and efficient querying of large media libraries. A binary structure is more compact and quicker for the application to parse than a text-based format like XML, which was critical for performance on older hardware. There's a proprietary link between the RMT format and RealPlayer by RealNetworks, INCIC. The raw visual data is present, but Windows lacks the necessary parser to display it correctly. Windows may recognize the extension, but interpreting the contents needs index-compatible tools. We're testing the system's interpretation of the file's data. Right-click the RMT file and click Open With. Test RealPlayer first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right tool is key. If you still can't open the RMT file, it's okay. We're going to solve this with a universal tool. But first, what are the technical factors causing this RMT error to appear? First, opening in RealPlayer. Launch RealPlayer, and the application automatically reads its associated RMT files when loading the media library. The tree structure displays in the library navigation pane, allowing browsing through your organized media collection. Direct manual opening of RMT files is unnecessary, as RealPlayer manages them automatically. Next, rebuilding the media library. If RMT files become corrupted causing library display issues, use RealPlayer's library rebuild function. In Tools or Preferences, locate the option to refresh or rebuild the media library. RealPlayer regenerates the RMT files by rescanning your configured media folders, restoring proper library organization and metadata. Finally, removing obsolete files. If you no longer use RealPlayer, the RMT files are safe to delete after uninstalling the application. They serve only as cache and index data, with no impact on the actual media files they reference. Use Windows Uninstaller to remove RealPlayer and clean any remaining RMT files manually if desired. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.